back in the combine. Got my help over there.
Yep.
Y'all set up over here so you can see what's going on. And we'll get rolling on some corn. Like I say, this Sunday afternoon, we tried to go on Sunday morning. We had to clean fuel injectors on the white Chevy. It was missing. Turns out it had a plugged up injector. Got that straightened out, got moving. We come down here and picked up a load of corn, brought the service truck, and then I rode back with Jesse in the white truck to get the red dump truck and bring it back down here. However, we got back, noticed that there's a rear seal going out in the white truck, and it's leaking grease or leaking gear oil right onto the brakes on the passenger side. So we had to park it for the day. So we ended up bringing the semi back down here. We're gonna run like that and just kind of see how it goes. Right now?
Yep.
Yep. What we'll do, we'll fill up the dump truck the way it's anyway, right? And then we'll fill up the grain cart. And then we'll start working on the semi. That way when it gets back, the grain cart will be going on the dump truck up immediately. We'll just work like that until the semi's full and you'll haul over the stuff. Knows that tractor in front of my blue truck, they pulled the semi forward or something.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about doing.
That should work on the tractor right there. Getting everything moving around, so we got plenty of room. Me and Hot Rod here has got plenty of room to get the combine in and out. Like we were saying, we're gonna fill the dump truck up, Jesse's gonna leave, I'm gonna fill the grain cart up, then we'll start working on the semi. And it's gonna go like that today, and me and Hot Rod's gonna be in and out of the combine, right, Hot Rod?
Yep.
Yep. We'll also have to drive a truck some too. But we'll see how things go. Back in the field. Alright folks, if y'all saw us out there, what had happened was on this outside nose cone, one of the bolts had backed off. I managed to get it tightened up, but I got it so tight, what happened, Dalton?
You broke it.
Yeah, it broke it when I got it that tight. So I had to go get another one out of the truck. Look, I had some in the truck. I had actually two, I got a spare now too. So we're gonna get back at it and we'll catch up y'all in a little bit. Alright folks, we got everybody shuffled around. Jesse got a load hauled off in the red dump while I filled the grain cart back up. He come back and picked up that. We got the semi full now and the grain cart sitting there with another load in it. So me and Hot Rod are gonna jump in the semi and take it to the bin. I'm gonna let Hot Rod do some filming so y'all can see how tight the road is coming out of here. Right, Hot Rod? Yep. I'll have to tell you when you get in the truck. We're gonna be getting on a county road that looks like a driveway. We back down at the field again. That's Dad on the phone, Big Don. He's calling to let me know that he got his stuff done that he needed to do today, and he can come drive a truck. He'll be down here in about 30 minutes or so, which should be about how long it takes Jesse to get back. So when he gets back, he can start driving the semi, or the dump truck, and Jesse start driving the semi. So we gonna get back in the combine and get back to whacking corn. Right, Hot Rod? Yeah. A little tip, if you do have to leave the field like I do sometimes and leave combine, if there's no shade to park it in, park it facing away from the sun, and you'll be good to go then. Won't be so hot in the cab when you get back. So we can get at it, and we'll get back to y'all a little bit. That water good? Don't let your head flop around too much now, okay? You gotta hold on. I got you buckled in pretty good. Seatbelt working? I reckon we'll find out, won't we? Yeah, digging. We're driving out in the sun. Headed due west again. Sun's burning that windshield. It's that time of day. Get your hat on. Get my hat on. That good? Yeah, tractor's coming, ain't it? Gotta get the truck loaded, then we'll do some driving. You practice your steering, okay? Yeah. I know. You gotta straighten these wheels up, bud. You're gonna have to make it into the side of the truck. You don't think that, that'll get Don upset at us. Hey, Jack! You combining, boy? Yeah, you like that? Jack having fun? The booster seat works better. The seatbelt don't cut into his gut. Okay. It's got them little hard thing to keep it from cutting him in half. Good deal. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to Jack. Your mama's coming to get you, so we better get us... We better get us a load cut. We got a feather this there. Feather. Boy, make me knock it all down. Yeah. Ain't trying to get it driving straight. Driving like his mother. All over the place. Yeah, you gotta quit turn on. You gotta quit turn on all the knobs and switches. Break my sunglasses now. Don't turn them up. Sun's going down. We got the lights on. Me and Big Man here, right, Big Man? Give me a 5. Yeah. He tries to be quite a bit of help. He just ain't old enough to help good yet, but he wants to help. So, this here's where I'm gonna leave y'all for today. Appreciate y'all being along. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope y'all had a great day and a productive day. Hope you got time to spend with your family and friends and whatnot. And you know, if you like the videos you're seeing, you know, you can subscribe if you'd like to. Give them a like. You know, drop a comment. So me and Big Man's gonna get off here. We gotta run back and check grain bin rings to see how much room we got left in the bin. Depends on whether we can cut longer tonight or not. So unless something else exciting happens, we'll catch y'all next time. So the good Lord's willing, catch you on the flip side.